Now we are going to learn how to change words, numbers or letters to italics or italicize it. Okay? Italics means to slant the words or the letters a bit sideways. Okay. Now let's see how to italicize. What we can do is we can highlight the word and press I. Okay, it has made highlight word and press slanted. We can either do that or we can highlight the word and press Ctrl I. See, it has also highlighted the word. Okay, next let's move to example 1. I'm going to italicize. I'm 18 years old. So I will highlight and I will click italics. Okay. And now let's move on to example 2. I will highlight and click Ctrl I. Okay, now it's your turn.